Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing means in the denominator if we have square root or cube root, then we will send that to the numerator. Why are we doing that? Because if we have a fraction, then when we do addition or subtraction, we will take LCM and make the denominators equal. So when we do that, then if we have square root or cube root in the denominator, then it will be very difficult for us to take the LCM. That is why we rationalize the denominator and send the square root or cube root to the numerator. I have some 8 examples for you, and with that, I think I will cover all possible things to rationalize the denominator. I will be explaining you with 8 examples. The first example 6 by root 3. So if we have something like this, root 3, that is root number is there in the denominator which we have to rationalize. That is, we have to send this to the numerator and make the denominator as a whole number. We cannot have square root or cube root in the denominator. For that, what we will do is, we will multiply the entire fraction with the denominator, that is square root of 3. We are multiplying up and down, that is numerator and denominator with that square root of 3. So when we do that, in the numerator it will become 6 root 3, whereas in the denominator root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 into root 3, which is 6 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So when we cancel, we can cancel also. So this will be 3 and 6 will be cancelled and it will become like 2 root 3. So 6 by root 3, after rationalizing, it has become 2 root 3. Now I will explain the second example. The second example is root 5 divided by 3 root 2. Now here in the first example we have only a root number, whereas here we have one whole number and a root number. So in that case we can multiply with the entire denominator, 3 root 2 divided by 3 root 2. So in that case denominator will become 3 root 2 the whole square, because we have 2 times 3 root 2. And the numerator, the whole numbers will be multiplied together and the square root numbers will be multiplied together. So 3 will become 3 only, because here we do not have any whole number next to that. 3 into root 5 into root 2 is root 10. So we have 3 root 10 divided by 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. I will do this separately and show you. 3 into 3. For 3 square, it will be 3 into 3. And then root 2 square is root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, which is equal to 18. So, now we have 18. 3 and 3 divided by 18. Now whole numbers we can cancel. So 3 and 18 we can cancel. This is 6. So therefore we have root 10 divided by 6. We do not have any square root number or cube root number here. We have we have root 2, which was removed by us after rationalizing. Now third example, 4 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So we have now two square root numbers and in between we have a minus. So if we have like this, then what is the sign here? We have to see what is the sign here, that is minus here. That means up and down we have to multiply the same number, root 5 and root 3 will be there. But here minus is there, so here we will be using a plus. So here also root 5 plus root 3. So we are using the same numbers in the same combination. Root 5 will be first and root 3 will be second. But here we have minus, so we will be using plus here to rationalize. So now what will happen? So 4 into root 5 plus root 3, that is the numerator, divided by, we remember a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. We remember this formula, a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So here also, this also looks like that, root 5 in place of a, root 3 in place of b. So now a square minus b square. A is root 5. So root 5 the whole square minus b is root 3. Root 3 the whole square. So now after this, the numerator will be as it is, root 4 into root 5 plus root 3. It will not change now. Divided by, here what will happen? Root 5 square is 5 minus root 3 square is 3. I will continue this problem here. The numerator will be as it is, 4 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. So now we can cancel this, the whole number. So now the answer is 2 into root 5 plus root 3. We have to remember these identities formulas. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. The small trick in rationalizing this is the same numbers we will use, root 5, root 3, but in between minus, if you have minus, then you have to put plus for rationalizing, then automatically it will be solved. Now fourth example, 11 divided by 6 minus 2 root 2. So the same procedure, we have two numbers here. Even though it is a whole number, the same procedure should be used. That is, up and down you will multiply with 6 plus 2 root 2. The same numbers, but in between we have a plus because here we have a minus. So now the numerator will be 11 into 6 plus 2 root 2 divided by, again here, this is a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 6 and then b equal to 2 root 2 in this problem. So now a square minus b square, that is 6 square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. We are using the identities. Now, in the numerator, we have here 6 and 2. That means we can take 2 outside, common. So, 11 into 2. If we take out 2, it will become 3 plus root 2. Divided by 6 square is 36. Minus 2 root 2 the whole square. How to do this? 2 root 2 the whole square will be 2 into 2 into root 2 into root 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we have 8. So 36 minus 8. So now 11 into 2. Let us keep like that only. Root 2, sorry, 2 we are not multiplying. It is, let it be like that. 36 minus 8 is 28. Now this 2 and this 28 can be cancelled. Now the answer is 11 into 3 plus root 2 divided by 14. So this is how we will rationalize this number. Now fifth example, 7 divided by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. So same thing, multiplied by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Up and down we are multiplying 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So up it will be, denominator will be 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. It will not change. Now down, again it is looking like a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to 3 root 3 and b equal to 2 root 2. So, a square minus b square is 3 root 3 the whole square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. So, the numerator will be as it is 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 3 whole square. How to do that? 3 into root 3 into root 3. That is 9 into 3 which is equal to 27. And 2 root 2 already we know that is 8. 2 into 2 into root 2 into root 2 which is equal to 4 into 2 which is equal to 8. So here 27 minus 8. So, okay. Now, the numerator will be as it is. 7 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 27 minus 8 is 19. That's all. Now, sixth example. That is 7 plus root 10 divided by 7 minus root 10. So now if you see we have root numbers in the numerator and the denominator. But we will not consider the numerator number, only see the denominator. We have 7 minus root 10. That means we have to multiply that with 7 plus root 10. That's all. We will not see what is the numerator. We will see the denominator because we are rationalizing the denominator. We will use the same numbers but change the sign. Now, up it will be, both are 7 plus root 10. That means 7 plus root 10 the whole square divided by again 7 square minus root 10 the whole square. Why I have written like this? This is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Here a equal to 7 and b equal to root 10. Let it be like that. Now up we have 7 plus root 10 the whole square. It looks like a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now the same with that thing we have to expand this 7 plus root 10 the whole square. That is 7 square plus root 10 the whole square plus 2 into 7 into root 10. That is 2 into a into b, 2ab divided by 7 square is 49 minus root 10 the whole square is 10. Root 10 into root 10. Now, 7 square is 49. We are doing the numerator. Root 10 square is 10 plus 2 into 7 is 14. 14 into root 10 is 14 root 10. Divided by 49 minus 10 is 39. Now, here we cannot add all the three because it has a root number. Root number we cannot add it along with the whole numbers. So, only the whole numbers we will add. 49 plus 10 is 59 plus 14 root 10 divided by 39. That's all. Now, seventh example. 2 root 5 minus 4 divided by 2 root 5 plus 4. Same thing, we will not consider the numerator. We will see only the denominator for rationalizing. We have 2 root 5 plus 4. So, we will use 2 root 5 minus 4 up and down. We will multiply that. So, now up it will be, both are same. That means 2 root 5 minus 4 the whole square. A minus b the whole square formula. And down it will be looking like a plus b into a minus b. Again it is a square minus b square. Here a is 2 root 5. So a square is 2 root 5 the whole square minus 4 square. What is a minus b the whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula for a square. So now the numerator looks like a minus b the whole square. Here a is 2 root 5 and b is 4. So when we expand, what will happen? A square, that is 2 root 5 the whole square plus b square, that is 4 square minus 2 into 2 root 5 into 4, the whole divided by, see, this looks like a square minus b square. What is 2 root 5 the whole square? How to do this? 2 into 2 into root 5 into root 5, which is equal to 4 into 5, which is equal to 20. So 20 minus 4 square is 16. Now, when we expand this, 2 root 5 the whole square, that we have that is 20. Numerator 20 plus 4 square is 16 minus, when we multiply all this multiplication we can do it. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16 into root 5, that is 16 root 5 divided by 20 minus 16 is 4. Now, when we add, we have to add the whole numbers only. That is 36 minus 16 root 5 divided by 4. Now, here we can take out 4 common outside. If we take out 4 common outside, 36 is 4 into 9 minus 16 root 5 will become 4 root 5. 4 into 4 is 16 divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 can be cancelled and the answer is 9 minus 4 root 5. Now the last example, that is 8th example, that is root 8 minus root 6 the whole divided by root 8 plus root 6. Again you know very well, up and down we will multiply changing the sign, root 8 minus root 6. Up and down we will do this. So that means up it will be root 8 minus root 6 the whole square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square, a root 8 the whole square minus b square, that is root 6 the whole square. How to do that? Up it is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is root 8 and b is root 6. That means root 8 the whole square plus root 6 the whole square minus 2 into root 8 into root 6. This is numerator divided by root 8 the whole square is 8 minus root 6 the whole square is 6. Now, 8 square, root 8 the whole square is 8 plus root 6 the whole square is 6 minus 2 into root of root 8 into root 6 is root 48. The whole divided by 8 minus 6. So now 8 plus 6 is 14 minus 2 root 48 divided by 2. Okay, now we can take out 2 common outside. So 7 minus root 48 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Now actually answer is 7 minus root 48, but 48 can be, we can do something with the 48. How what to do now? See, 48 when we break it, it will become 24, it will become 12, 6 and 3. So 48, that is root 48 equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. It will become like that. That means 2 into 2 into root 3. That is 4 root 3. Therefore, here 7 minus 4 root 3. We can write it like that. This is the perfect answer. Instead of writing 7 minus root 48, we can write 7 minus 4 root 3. So, how to do that? That also I have explained. If you want any other topics to be discussed, please message me in the comment section. Please subscribe and share the videos to your friends. Thank you.